The World AIDS Day slogan, HIV is still here, is a message that every gay man in Australia must know and understand fully. Our community is home to the largest group of Australians with HIV, and so New South Wales Health has taken a new approach to prevention here at Taylor Square in Sydney.
This pop-up testing site is to raise awareness about the importance of testing. What we know is that men who have sex with men are not testing frequently enough, and some men are not engaging with testing at all.
The idea is now to boost screening rates with the introduction of Australia's first pop-up rapid HIV testing site, offering free screening with results in just 30 minutes.
It's really about promoting the importance of early testing for anyone who's been involved in risky behaviour, who has not been tested particularly, or those who need to be tested more frequently.
Data for the first 6 months of 2013 reveals that most new cases of HIV are amongst gay men. Inside Out encourages people who have never been tested to come forward.
As the Minister said, the rapid testing is not just a testing tool, but it's also a communication tool. And I think the main thing is that last year, more than 50% of newly notified cases were diagnosed by general practitioners.
It is so important that guys know their status and get tested often if you are sexually active.
What we want to say is testing is easier than it's ever been. Our sexual health clinics and a number of our high caseload GPs have access to point of care testing. So that involves going in and 30 minutes the results are available. In addition, there's drop-in clinics, and we've also enabled people to get results over the phone. So we're trying to streamline the way in which we offer HIV testing to make it more accessible.
There are a large number of guys out there who do not know if they are HIV positive. And this, of course, is very dangerous.
Testing is different now. The environment is different in terms of what the benefits of testing are, in terms of the treatment and how this can really improve people's lives. That if you know your status, and really let's be honest that most people test who are negative, and that's good to know. But if you're positive, that's an important thing to know in terms of you can make choices to benefit your own health.
New South Wales Health and ACON's Ending HIV by 2020 campaign cannot be achieved unless we take a proactive approach to stopping the spread of HIV.
And the benefits of treatment not only are for the individual, but for your partners as well, because we know that the way the treatment works is to suppress the virus activity in the body, and that means markedly reduced transmission to other people. So until you know your status, in a way, you're not helping yourself, and you're certainly not helping other people if you're positive and you don't know it.
Chief Health Officer Dr. Kerry Chant said the new HIV strategy introduced a year ago, aimed at driving down the spread of the disease, was showing results, with testing rates increasing 6% in the first quarter of 2013.
There is increasing evidence about the benefits of early treatment, and we would want to get people diagnosed early and entering into those discussions with their clinicians to be best informed.
The Sydney Sexual Health Centre is one of the largest publicly funded sexual health services in Australia. Its specific targeting priority is populations at risk of STDs and HIV. Dr. Chris Bourne is Sydney Sexual Health Clinic Director.
Testing like that's being done in this bus are being done in clinical services across New South Wales. There are 18 sites using this rapid test technology as well. They're public clinics as well as some general practices and in some community settings. So there's a new opportunity, a new way to be tested, and that's one of the messages for the New South Wales Health HIV Ending HIV strategy.
The campaign to end HIV can be won, but we need your help to do it. Paul Miles, Inside Out TV.